Today we will start the next chapter of electronics control, that is chapter number 6, stability analysis of control system. So here we use a stability analysis. So how to analyze stability and what are the ways to identify the system is stable or not, we will see in this chapter. Okay, so suppose they are giving us equation. The equation is, suppose this equation we call as a d of s. The equation is a0 s raised to n plus a1 s raised to n minus 1 plus a2 s raised to n minus 2. It is going on like this. Suppose we consider n is equal to 5. So what it become? It become a0 s raised to 5 plus a1 s raised to 4 plus a2 s raised to 3 plus a1, so a3 s raised to 2 plus a2 s raised to, I think it is 5 4 3 2 1, and a, it should be a4 and it should be a5 s raised to 0, or we call it as a a5 only, because s raised to 0 is 1. Okay, so for that, suppose this is the equation, and for that how to identify this d of s is a stable equation. How to identify that d of s is a stable equation? To identify any equation that is stable or not, using Routh-Horvitz method. So this is the Routh-Horvitz method. How to use that method? See, there is a standard table for the Routh-Horvitz method. That table is like this. One second. The table is like this. See, here we use highest degree, that is s raised to 5. So highest degree is s raised to 5, that's why I am using here s raised to 5, and then lower degree is s raised to 4, then s raised to 3, like this is going on, right? So I'm just extending this because this is the first numerical, that's why I'm taking very slowly to understand how to draw the table and how to calculate it. Okay, that's why I'm going very slowly. Okay, so after that s raised to 2, s raised to 1 and s raised to 0. Okay, So likewise we are going to calculate. So what is the process of calculation? See, s raised to 5. What is meaning by s raised to 5? S raised to 5, 5 is an odd number, right? That's why we are taking all odd coefficient. So s raised to 5 is odd, s raised to 3 is odd, s raised to 1 is odd. That's why we are taking all odd coefficient. So what is the coefficient of s raised to 5? Is a0, right? S raised to 3, that is a2, and s raised to 1, that is a4. So we are taking here all coefficient of odd power. And what is the s raised to 4? It is the even one, right? S raised to 4 is the even, right? That's why we are taking all even coefficient, that is s raised to 4 coefficient, then s raised to square, and s raised to 0, right? So what is that? It is the a1, that is the a3, right, and a5. Okay, after putting all the variable together, what we do for this, just observe carefully. We are just taking a cross multiplication, that is, I'm changing the color. Okay, so cross multiplication is a a1 into a2, that means this one into this one, right, minus a0 into a3, that means this one into this one, right, divided by this number a1. This is the calculation. Again for this bracket, we are taking a3 into a4, that means this one into this one, minus a2 into a5, that means this into this, divided by this number, that is a3. Okay, for this again we know that this one is 0, right? This one is 0, so this one into 0, it becomes 0, this one into 0, it becomes 0, divided by a5. So anything divided by 0, it becomes 0. So likewise we are taking a calculation for any equation. This calculation or this format of this structure or this table is called as a Routh-Horvitz method, or in the short form this method is also called as a RH method. RH method. What is the RH method? Routh-Horvitz method. R stand for Routh, H stand for Horvitz method. Okay, so let's start with the basic numerical based on this method. Let's start with the first numerical, which is on your page number 67 page number. So example is d of s is equal to s square plus s minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so just again draw the table. Okay, this we called as a s2, this we called as a, because highest power is s2, right, then this we called as a s1, then this we called as a s0, right. Again for calculation purpose I am taking additional this term. Okay, tell me s2, that means it is the even power, right, so it takes all even. So this one is even, this one is even, right, so that's why we are taking 1. Coefficient of x square is 1 and this coefficient is minus 2. 1 second, minus 2. Okay, then s raised to 1, that means it is odd. Let's take all odd coefficient, that is single one only, that is 1. There is no odd coefficient, there is no coefficient, right. Okay, now what is the calculation? As we are just seeing, what is the calculation? Calculation is very much simple. Just extend this one. What is the calculation? See, we are making cross multiplication, right? So 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2. 1 into 0, that is 0, divided by this 1. What is the answer? Answer is minus 2 divided by 1. Answer is minus 2. Just take calculation. Just calculate this whole equation in the calculator, so you get minus 2, right. Again for this into 0 is 0, minus this into 0, 0 divided by 0, so answer is 0 only, right? So here answer is -2 and here answer is 0. Now see how to understand or how to gauge, how to recognize the equation is stable or not. There is a simple clue to how to recognize system is or equation is stable or not. The simple clue is just observe the first column. Just observe the first column. If the coefficient of first column with the same sign, if the coefficient of first column with the same sign is not changed, same sign, or we call it as a no sign change, or we call it as a no sign change. If there is a no sign change, that time we called as a equation is a stable. Now just observe this. Here this sign is positive, this sign is positive, this sign is negative. That means there is a sign change. That means our system is called as a unstable. This system is called as a unstable. Why? Because in that there is a sign change. See, this one is positive 1, and negative 2. So negative and positive is a sign change. That's why it's called as a unstable equation. Okay, let's solve another one little bit difficult. One second. Okay, let's take little bit difficult. I'm just finding the simple one, but there is no simple numerical. Let's start with the difficult topic. The equation is d of s is equal to s cube plus 2s plus 3. Okay, this is the equation. Again same, we are going to use RH method only. So RH method requires this table. Just draw like a, okay, so this is the s cube, this is the s square, this is the s to 1, and this is the s to 0, right? Now let's take, see, this is the odd number, right? S cube is the odd, that's why we are taking all odd ones. So this is the s cube, this is the s to 1, right? So this is the s cube is the odd, that's why I'm taking 1 here. Again s to 1 is again odd, that's why I'm taking 2, and there is nothing after that. That's why 0, right? Then s square is the even one, right? This one is even, right? Even means what? S square is the even, that means 2, 4, 6 like that. So 2 is not there, that's why I'm taking 0. S square is not there, that's why I'm taking 0. And s to 0 is there, right? So I'm taking 3 here. 3. Okay. Now this is the case 1. This we call as a case 1. What is the case 1? When there is a 0 appear in the first column. When there is a 0 appear in the first column, what to do? If there is a no 0, we use upper method that we are already seen, right? But when there is a 0 appear, in the first column, what to do? So this is the called as a case 1. Okay, so just observe how to solve case 1. Case 1 is a very much simple. The row where 0 appear, just take the upper row of this 0. Where 0 appear, we are not taking that row, we are taking the upper row, that is 1, 2. What is that row? Just observe this. This is the s cube, right? Then plus 2s to 1, right? This is the upper row, right? This is the s cube and this is the s to 1, right? So this is the upper row where 0 appear, and not taking 0 row, we are taking a above row, that above of this 0 row, right? So we are taking this one. So s cube and 2s to 1, right? So this is the equation, right? Just take derivative of this equation. When we take derivative of this equation, what's happen? Derivative of s cube is 1 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Here I think I am making some mistake. I'm just repeat this equation, this numeric example again. Okay, see, this is the method where we can find the it is case 1 or not, or there is another method, that method is used in your notebook. See, this is the 0, right? That means we know that there is a something wrong in this row, right? So just regular method we use 0 into 2. I'm just changing the color first. We use blue color. So 0 into 2, 0 into 2, that is 0, minus 1 into 3, that is 3, divided by 0. 0. What is the answer? Anything. We know that any number divided by 0, answer is infinity. Once infinity occur, we stop there and we use case 1. We use case 1. What is the case 1? Just observe it carefully and just focus on my words, because just focus on my words. If you miss any word, then you are not understand anything. So just focus on my words, right? See, where infinity appear? It is 0, right? 1 second. Okay, see here, before go to the infinity, see, once we get 0 here, that means case 1 occurred, right? See, just observe the whole row, just observe this row completely. Only first column is 0 here, remaining there is a 3, only this first column is 0 here, remaining 3 is there, right? So actually there are two cases, case 1 and case 2. What is the case 1 and what is the case 2? Case 1 means what? In complete row only one 0 appear, called as a case 1. And what is the case 2? Case 2 means what? Whole row becomes 0, like this. This is again 0, this is again 0, like this. Whole row will 0, that time case 2 appear. Okay, now in our example there is a case 1. Why? Because there is a single 0, other element is available. That's why we solve the equation using case 1. So what is the case 1? Case 1 means what? Once we get 0, just take a above row of the 0. What is the above row? That is s cube plus 2s plus 2s, right? And plus 3. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so what is the equation? S cube plus 2s plus 3. This is our auxiliary equation, which is already given in the example, which is this is case 1. This is the case 1, and this is called as auxiliary equation, that is a of s. This is the already given in the example. See, this is already given in the example, right? Just take a multiplication always by s plus 1. Always. If case 1 occur, what is the case 1? If in complete row, in whole row, only single 0 appear, called as a case 1, right? So like that, case 1 appear, that time we use a multiplication of s plus 1 always, right? So what is the multiplication? When we multiply with the s, what's happen? It becomes s raised to 4 plus 2s square plus 3s plus, when we multiply with the 1, it becomes s cube plus 2s plus 3. What we do here? We are just taking a multiplication initially, where we want to multiply this bracket to this bracket, right? So initially I am multiply with the s to everyone, then I am multiply with the 1 to everyone, right? So like this we get equation. Now to reduce equation, s raised to 4, then s cube, then 2s square, then this 3s and 2s, it becomes 5s plus 3. See, this is the new equation we get. And to solve this equation, again we are going to take RH method. So what is the RH method? This is the RH method, right? As you know, we have a formula for RH method, right? Okay, so s raised to 4, s raised to 3, s raised to 2, s raised to 1, and last one is s raised to 0, right? What is the s raised to 4? S raised to 4 is even. S raised to 4 is even. Even means what? All even term, that is s raised to 4, s square, and s raised to 0. So let's put everything. So what is the coefficient of s raised to 4? It is 1. Coefficient of s square, it is 2, and coefficient of s raised to 0, this is the s raised to 0, right? Because s raised to 0 is 1, so that's why I'm taking 3 only, right? And this is the odd term, right? This is the odd term. So odd term, what we take? 1, because s cube we are going to take, and s raised to 1 we are going to take, that is 1 and 5. There is no, that's why I'm taking 0 here. This is the 0. Okay, now what is the next step? Just cross multiplication of this one. So 1 into 2, that is 2, minus 1 into 5, that is 5, divided by 1. What is the answer? 2 minus 5, that is minus 3, divided by 1, that is minus 3, right? Again cross multiply this one. 5 into 3, 15, minus 2 into 0, 0, divided by this number, that is 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay, now again let's cross multiplication. Let's take cross multiplication. For that I am changing the color. Okay, next cross multiplication is for s raised to 1. For s raised to 1, for s raised to 1, what to do? Minus 3 into 5. Minus 3 into 5, it is minus 15, right? Minus 1 into 3. 1 into 3, that is 3, divided by minus 3. What's happened? Minus 15 minus 3, it is minus 18, divided by 3, that is 6. Minus 18 divided by minus 3, that is 6. Okay, again take cross multiplication. This one, this is the 0, this one, so 3 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0, divided by 3, so it becomes 0 only, right? So it is 0. Let's solve next last term, that is cross multiplication, that is I'm changing the color, pink color. Okay, so 6 into 3, that is 18, minus 3 into 0, that is 0, 0, divided by 6. Okay, so 18 divided by 6, it becomes 3. Now 3 into 0, 0, 1 second, for this 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, so it becomes 0. Okay, so last we get 3. So which, how many coefficient we get? We get 1, that is positive 1. Then this one, this is again this positive, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive again, and this is again positive. See, so sign change here. Just focus, sign change here. Initially two numbers are positive, we are focusing only on first column, right? So in the first column both are positive, then negative, then positive, then positive. So see, the sign change, your sign change two time, sign change 2 times, that is from positive to negative and negative to positive 2 times. That's why the system is called as an unstable system. Why? Because there is a sign change, and this type is called as a case 1. Let's move on the example based on case 2. Let's take the new example. D of s is equal to s cube 3s square minus 4s minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation. Now again we have the option, just put everything in the RH table. Just put everything, right? This is the highest degree is s cube, highest degree is s cube here, right? Then s square, then s raised to 1, then s raised to 0, right? For that we require the 9. Okay, What is the s cube? S cube is the odd one, so let's take all odd coefficient. So it is 1, so I'm taking 1 here. This is -4, I'm taking -4 here, and again 0. Okay, this is -4. Then for even coefficient, what is the even coefficient? Even is this one even, and this one is even, right? So 3 and -12. Our remaining are 0. Let's calculate this. Let's cross multiplication of both one. 3 into -4. 3 into -4, that is -12, minus 1 into -12, that is +12, divided by 3. So it becomes 0. It becomes 0, right? Now for next one, again this into this, 0 into 0, 0, so everything is 0. Again this is 0. See, in this row, all coefficients are 0. This one is 0, this one is 0, this one is 0. So what to do? This is the type of case 2. What is the case 2? Case 2 is, just take above equation, just take, this is the all 0, just take above equation. What is the above equation? 3s square minus 12, right? This is the above equation, right? So just take derivative of this equation. Just take derivative of this equation. What is the derivative of 3s square? It is 6s minus 0. So derivative is 6s only, right? And once we get derivative 6s, what to do? Once we get 6s, so once we get this 6s, just change this as a 6, because the coefficient of 6s is a 6, right? So that's why I'm putting directly 6 here. Okay, so let's solve next. What to do in the next? Again 6 into -12, 6 into -12, it is 72, minus 72 minus 3 into 0, so it becomes 0, divided by 6, so we get 12, we get -12, right? Once we get -12, again with this cross multiplication 0, one second, this is not 1, 0 into 0, 0, 12 into 0, 0, so 0 divided by 0 is 0. Okay, and this is the last equation. See, now observe the first column. What is the first column? 1 positive, 3 positive, this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, but -12 is negative. That's why system is called as an unstable system. This is called as an unstable system, right? Okay, let's move on the next numerical. Next numerical is, they are giving a ds, but it is in difficult form. ds is nothing but what? S square plus s plus 1 s plus 4 is equal to plus k is equal to 0. So this is the equation, and already they told us that this equation or this system is called as a stable system. What is mean by stable system? That means according to RH theorem, the system is stable. Why? Because the first column of the RH table is with the same sign. Okay, let's solve this. When we s multiply inside, it become s cube. So it become s cube plus s square plus s, again second bracket is remaining as it is, plus k. Okay, now when we multiply this bracket, initially we multiply s to everyone, then 4 to everyone, right? When we multiply s to everyone, it becomes s raised to 4 plus s cube plus s square. When we multiply with the 4, so it becomes 4 s cube then 4 4s square plus 4s plus k, right? Let's simplify this term. S raised to 4 is single one, then this is s raised to cube, this is s raised to cube, so it become 5 s raised to cube. This is 5 s raised to cube, okay, plus this is the square, this is the square, so it become 5 s square plus 4s plus k, right? Now let's do this thing into the RH table. So what is the RH table? Okay, so highest power is s raised to 4, so we are taking s raised to 4, then s raised to 3, then s raised to 2, then s raised to 1, and again one thing we required for s raised to 0. S raised to 0, right? Now s raised to 4 means it is a even term because 4 is even, so let's take all even coefficient. So s raised to 4 is even, square is even, k is even, right? So this 1, 5 and k, right? S raised to cube is odd, right? That's why I take odd one, this one odd because power is 1. So 5, 4 and 0, okay? Now just calculate this according to our method. 5 into 5 it is 25, then 1 into 4 that is 4 divided by 5. So what it become? 25 minus 4, 21 divided by 5. This is 21 divided by 5. 21 divided by 5, right? Now for next one, this is the cross multiplication. 4 into k, that is 4k, minus 5 into 0, that is 0 divided by 4. So it become k, right? Because 4 get cancelled, remaining is k. This is again 0. For next one, I am changing the color. Again for next thing, for this column we are cross multiply with this one to this one. 21 into 5, 21 divided by 5 into 4, so it become 84 by 5, okay, minus, I'm just shifting this column because we required some more space, so I'm taking here, okay. So minus 5 into k, that is 5k divided by 21 divided by 5, okay. Now for this k into 0, 4 into 0, so it becomes 0, right? And in the last initially before calculate this, we want this equation, we want this value of this equation. So what is the calculation? Just see, 84 by 5 minus 5k divided by 21 by 5, okay. So just solve this. How to solve it? Just take cross multiplication. So 84 minus 5 into 5, 25k divided by 5 whole divided by 21 by 5. So this 5 get cancelled, this 5 and this 5 get cancelled. So what is the remaining? Only 84 minus 25k divided by 21 is remaining, okay. So this is this column, right? Let's solve the last one. For last one, so this into this, right? So 84 minus 25k divided by 21 into k, right? And this one into this, so 21 divided by 5 into 0 is 0, divided by again what? 84 minus 25k divided by 21, right? So see here, both are same brackets, so both are cancelled together. What is the remaining? Remaining is only k. Up to this, I think you don't have any doubt. Just calculate carefully. Simultaneously, when you see the video, simultaneously you also try to solve, or you also try to draw or write down in your notebook. That means you get a clear idea. Now up till now I think you don't have any doubt. Now what is the, they want what is the value of k, what is the value of k, right? So I think initially they told us the system is stable. How we call as the system is stable? This first column should be a 0, should be a with the same sign, right? Should be with the same sign. This first column should be with the same sign, right? So that means everywhere, see, this is the positive, this is the positive, this is the positive. So all column, all coefficient of first column should be a positive. That means k should be greater than 0. This is the first conclusion. K should be greater than 0. Here what we called, sit 84 minus 84 divided by 5. 1 second, what is that? It is 84 minus 25k divided by 21. It should be also greater than 0, right? It should be greater than 0. Now see, it should be greater than 0. So how to solve this? Let's move on the next page. See, I am just write down again. See, 84 minus 25k divided by 21 is greater than 0, right? Now see, this 21 is divided here. When we shift at the RHS side, it become multiplication, right? So 0 into 21, it becomes 0. So what is the remaining? 84 minus 25k is greater than 0, because 21 is become 0, because it multiplied with the 0, so it becomes 0. Now this 25, when we shift at the another side, so it becomes positive, because here it is negative. So 84 is greater than 25k, right? Now this 25 is multiply here. When we shift, it become divide. So 84 divided by 25 is greater than k, right? So what is the 84 divided by 25? Let's take calculator. So what we want exactly, what calculation we want? 84 divided by 25, right? 84 divided by 25. So 84 divided by 25, so it become 3.336. So what is the k? K is greater than 3.36. So what we conclude from here? See, initially we get two equations. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. In the first equation, k should be greater than 0, and here k should be less than 3.36. That means what we conclude? 0 is greater than k is greater than 3.36, right? So we get the range of k. K should be in between that. When a k should be in between that, that time only the system should be a stable. System should be a stable. Okay. Let's move on the next numerical to understand clearly. So next numerical is, it is on your page number 70, that is s cube plus 2k s square plus 2k s square plus k plus 2s plus k2s plus 4. This is the equation, right? Again we want to simplify this equation. So what to do? Just solve the bracket s cube as it is plus 2k s square as it is, right? Now just multiply inside ks plus 2s as it is, right? Or otherwise you put as it is, not necessary to multiply. So k plus 2 as it is plus 4. Let's put the RH table. because we want a bigger table, bigger column. Okay, so initially higher order is s cube, then s raised to 1, then s raised to 0, right? So what is the s cube? S cube is odd, so let's take every odd term. So odd means this one, and this one, right? Because here s is there, right? So s power 1, that is odd one. So 1 and k plus 2. Then I think this is square, this is 1, and this is s raised to 0. So this is the even one. So what is the even? That means this is even and 4 is even. So 2k. We are taking only coefficient. Right? Okay. Now what is the next step? Just we are taking cross multiplication here. So what is the cross multiplication? 2k into k plus 2. So it become 2k square plus 4k minus 4 into 1, that is 4, divided by 2k. Is it clear? So what is the answer? We have just calculated it separately. Now next one, 4 into 0, this into 0, so it becomes 0, right? Let's solve next one. So I want to solve this one. So this is the equation we get, 4k square. So 4k square plus 4k minus 4, right, divided by 2k. Can we divide 2 everywhere, or we put as it is? So what is the next step? This into this, so multiply with the 4, so it become 8k square plus 16k minus 16 divided by 2k, right? Minus, I want bigger one, minus 2k into 0, so it becomes 0, whole divided by better way, don't multiply with the 4, just put 4 outside only, just put 4 outside. So when we multiply 4 in bracket, 2k square plus 4k minus 4 divided by 2k minus 0 whole divided by this term, that is 2k square plus 4k minus 4 divided by 2k, right? This is the bracket. Now just observe this bracket and this bracket both are same. So what is the remaining here? 4 only. So answer become 4. Now how many equations we get here? How many equations we get? We get this equation. So 2k, this is the first equation. 2k should be greater than 0 because it should be positive, because they already told us that system is stable. So when system we call it as stable, all rows should be positive. So we are considered here positive, 2k is positive, that means it is greater than 0. Second equation, what we get? Second equation, 2k square plus 4k minus 4 divided by 2k, it should be greater than 0. Okay, so let's solve this. 2k, when we shift in this side, so it become multiply, so 0 into anything becomes 0. So 2k square plus 4k minus 4, right, equal to 0. We can shift everything, so minus 4 when we shift that side, what's happened? So it becomes 2k square plus 4k greater than 4, right? What to do? Now k is common here, can we take k common? So when we take k common, what is the inside? 2k is remaining and 4 is remaining, right? So it becomes 4, right? Now 1 second, I think it is little bit difficult one. Okay, otherwise there is another way. Don't calculate this one like this, because here it is difficult to find k. Let's take roots here. When we take roots, we want what we want exactly. Let's take this 2 common. When we take 2 common here, so what is the remaining? K square plus 2k minus 2, and that 2 is becomes 0 because it is shifted in the RHS side, so it is greater than 0. Now just find roots here. How to find roots? We want number, or better way to put in the calculator only. So when we put this calculator, what k become? So k become what we get k value. So k is -1 plus √3. Okay, this we can calculate by using -b plus minus root of 4b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. By using this formula you get this one k, right? This is the equation. This is the new example where they give the g of s and they told in clearly that is the feedback is a unity. What is the meaning by unity? 1. It is on page number 71. Just observe 71 page number. This is the equation. So what is the characteristic equation here? 1 plus this already we are seen gs hs equal to 0, but hs is 0 here. So 1 plus what is the gs? Gs is k divided by s, 1 plus 0.6 s, 1 plus 0.4 s, right, is equal to 0, right? Let's calculate this one. Cross multiply this. When we cross multiply this to 1, it become s 1 plus 0.6 as 1 plus 0.4 as plus k is equal to 0, right? Divided by again this term, but this term is 0 because when we shift in the RHS side it becomes 0. So this is the equation remaining. Now let's simplify this equation. When we simplify this equation, just multiply s inside, so it becomes s plus this is s, so 0.6 s square, right, and second bracket is 1 plus 0.4 s plus k equal to 0, right? Now let's multiply this bracket. So initially we multiply with the s, then multiply with this one. So when we multiply with the s, so s1 into s plus 0.4 s square plus again by 0.6, it becomes 0.6 s square plus 0.6 into 0.4, 0.24 s cube plus k equal to 0. This equation we get. Just put in the ascending order, descending order. So in s raised to cube at the initially 0.24 s cube plus 0.6 s square plus 0.4 s square. See, both are s square here, so can we add this 0.4 plus 0.6? It become 1, right? So it is s square only, right? Then s, then k is equal to 0. Now just put everything in the RH table. So RH table is very much simple now. Okay, okay, so what is the highest power? That is s cube, then s square, then s raised to 1, then s raised to 0, right? Now it is an odd one, so let's take all odd coefficient, that is 0.24, then this power is 1, that means it is a 1. Then what is the even coefficient? Even coefficients are 1 and k. Let's solve this. Let's calculate this. For calculation, I'm changing the color. Okay, Now just cross multiply this one. 1 into 1, that is 1. 0.24 into k, that is minus 0.24 k divided by 1. So what is the answer? Answer is this one only. What is not easy to write down? So this is the answer. Okay. Now this is the 0, this is the 0. Right. So this into this, but 0 into 0, it becomes 0. Right. Now for this cross multiply with this. So k 1 minus 0.24 k divided by divided by 1 minus 0.24 k. Right. What we doing here? See, this into this, so k into this 1 into 0, it become 0, right? And divided by this term, right? So here can we cancel it out? See, both brackets are same here, so what is the answer? K is the answer here, right? Now this into 0, so it becomes 0. So up till now what we conclude? They already told us the system is stable, right? Stable means what? All coefficients should be with the same sign. So initially first coefficient is 0, positive, this is positive, this is positive, and this is positive, right? So according to this, what we conclude? K is greater than 0. This is the first equation, right? K is equal to this is the k, right? So it is greater than 0, that means it is the positive, and this is again greater than 0. This is the second equation. 1 minus 0.24 k is greater than 0, right? Now when we shift this another side, so 1 is greater than 0.24 k. Now 0.24 is multiply here, when we shift that side, so it becomes divide. So 1 divided by 0.24 is equal to k is greater than k. So what is the k we get? K is equal to 1 upon 0.24. So 1 upon 0.24, what is that? 1 divided by 0.24, 4.16, right? So k is greater than 4.16. What does that means? So k should be greater than 0, or it should be less than 4.16. So here we get k. So like that they give some to solve, and just follow the RH method, RH table and RH method, we get directly answers. And I will give you one homework, just try it. If you're unable to solve, I will give you solution. Just try to solve, because it is again simple one, which is on your page number 72, on your page number 72, page number 72 one, that is homework for you, just try to solve it.